Hi guys, and welcome to Forge Right. Thanks for dropping in. First thing I'd like to do is apologise for not having posted any videos for such a long time. Various reasons for it. As you would be aware if you've watched the channel before, I injured my hand, which kept me out of the workshop for quite some time. Then I went in for surgery on my eyes. As you can see, I'm not wearing glasses now. I used to wear glasses for mainly for close-up reading, using the phone, things like that. So I had bifocals because I didn't really need them for long distance. And I got sick of taking them off, put them on, taking them off, all that sort of stuff. So I went in for a bilateral laser assisted lensectomy. So that's where they put lenses inside your eyes, not as in contact lenses. So that kept me out of the workshop and away from work for a very long period of time. And I'm only just getting back to the state where I can actually do things in the workshop, that I'm allowed to do things in the workshop where there's dust and dirt and sparks and, all the rest of it. And also I went away on holiday with my wife for over 2 weeks. It was cut short. We went to Bathurst in New South Wales and toured New South Wales for a long period of time. Long story short, holiday was cut short, various family reasons, some very sad news came through, but we had to deal with that. So then we had to fly over to Adelaide to deal with that. And now we're back, and I've got to go back to work. Wife's got to go back to work, but I'm hoping that now I can get in and do a bit of work in the workshop. So having said all that, I'm keen now to get in and start doing some videos again, some forging videos, some fabrication videos. So the first thing I'm going to attempt to do is get onto that gardening tool that I put a video out about. I made a request to John Switzer in relation to seeing if he could find the time to make a video on forging a Korean homie. And he's a very, very busy man, hasn't been able to do so. I was just hoping for a bit of assistance in the methodology I should use to go about trying to form up that tool, and what stock I should start with, and just the basic system to get a decent tool. I'm going to give it a go myself. So I've got myself a bit of spring steel, some cast spring steel, and I'm going to attempt to make it out of that. So the first process I will do will be to cut a piece of steel out. I'm going to just use a grinder to do it because it's easy. I'll then go through a de-stressing process with it, heating it up to critical temperature and then letting it cool down, and heating it up and letting it cool down. I've already done that a couple of times to the piece of steel that I'm going to use. Actually, I've done it 3 times, and I might do it again before I start. So I don't want to start forging up this piece of steel into a homie and then find that because it's all stressed out, it starts to crack. Thank you if you have not unsubscribed during the 2-month period that I've been dark, so to speak, and not posting anything. But I've also had a few extra subscribers come along during that period, even though I haven't been putting any videos up. So thank you to the new subscribers that may have joined the channel. And yeah, looking forward to getting back in there and producing something. So bye for now, and I'll see you on the next video.